Going to take a look at just a random selection of rocks that are in a Harbor Freight tumbler. This is stage 2, the first run. It's been in there for about 7 days or so. I don't even remember what's in it. So I'm just going to open her up, take a look, see what's inside and how far along we've come. Sometimes I just throw random stuff in there and move it along the chain. The other tumblers don't even know what to expect out of it. Been a surprise from time to time here. So I'm going to take a look together and see what we've got. Looks like it's pretty much worn out everything in there. Got a little bit of crazy lace, looks like, mixed in here with some other random stuff. Rinse it a little bit. Stuff was pretty chunky. I decided this one I'm just going to run it stage 2, put in some other rougher rock, and just remember this batch. I can see that it was stuff that had a lot of imperfections in it, and I decided just to sort of move it along, keep some of the character in it, polish up some parts of it, and leave the other sections rough, and see how it turns out in the end. It's nice when some of this is polished up and then you have some rough texture to it instead of just having everything be a total finished, polished, rounded rock. It's just nice to have a few that aren't perfect, and some of these imperfections and some of these rocks and stones just adds a little character to it. A lot of this mixed in here with it is rock that just came out of a bag of Harbor Freight, cheap gravel, and use it to round off some of the more expensive rock we buy from time to time. This one's got some cool sort of opaque looks to it. Broad mix, but I think this is Mexican Crazy Lace, or what some of these bigger chunks are. Not sure what else I've thrown in there, but yeah, this looks pretty cool. Not even sure exactly what this is. If you know what it is, how about name it in the comments. Tell me. A lot of the stuff I just throw in here, I'm not even sure what I've got. I sort of see through it a little bit. That's got a real cool look to it. I think I'm going to move these, do these another run in 2 grit and see how that goes before I make the jump to the vibratory tumbler and start really polishing everything off. But some of these looks like they might turn out kind of cool. I think this is rose quartz, but we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll move this on and let it run in a stage 2 batch just a little bit more, and then she'll go to the stage 3 grit in the vibratory tumbler, and that's when I start getting a real polish to them, and then move it on along to the finishing stage and see how it looks. But this I've just called a batch of Crazy Lace mixed rock, and you can look for that in another video. Thanks for watching.